Hi YouTube, this is King Buick. I've just found a problem the last couple weeks with my Marklin engines. The first is this BR23 that I got. It's not working and not registering with my central station. Now I think I know why. When I was uncoupling it with these cars, which were built in, I broke, it's hard to see, but I broke the coupler, the electrical connection for the coupler, and it doesn't plug in. Here's the problem. It doesn't plug into the train. Again, the lighting here is horrible, so you can't really see. It's sort of broken and you can't unplug it, and thus when I tried, a bit of the electrical connection came out, which makes the whole train run. That goes the same for this car. This car has the same problem. See how the wires are all messed up. I don't know if this can be fixed. I'd love for it to be fixed. The engine is really nice. It's a modern classic, the BR23. That and this whole set, it'd really be a shame if I can't repair this. Anyway, please give me some advice on how to fix this problem.